welcome back. I want to thank everybody for all the feedback I got on my last movie, so I decided to do a new one. So I want to introduce everybody to my special guest maker today, Bryce.
Hi.
Bryce is my 7-year-old nephew. I downloaded a set of plans from a channel called King's Fine Woodworking. James King is an amazing maker. He makes amazing videos, and I'll put a description and link to his channel down below. We're huge fantasy fans here. We love DC, we love Marvel, we love Harry Potter. That's what we watch. That's our genre. We just totally love to geek out. So I need a mallet for my shop. Well, James had a set of plans making a woodworking mallet looking like Thor's hammer. We've called Bryce Thor since he was a baby. So Bryce found out we were making this mallet and asked if we could make him one. So that's what we're gonna do today. Today, we're making Bryce Thor's mallet. Hammer. You ready?
Yeah.
Is this what you're doing while I'm working?
Yeah.
You don't see anything wrong with this?
No.
So we're done cutting. This one I made last night. This was a dry run I did to see how long the project was going to take. Wasn't quite sure how much time to budget, as Bryce has got some places to be today. So this is the one from last night. I did some miscutting. You know, we all make mistakes. So this one looks a little strange. My angles are definitely off. So what we're going to do is we're going to go with this head from last night. James and I will talk about what to make out of this. Well, it's been a couple days, probably closer to a week since we finished up our project. As you can see, we've got a finished hammer here, and it's Thors hammer. We'll call it Bryce's hammer. A little information on the wood. The handle's Redheart. The actual hammer itself is made out of Bubinga, and it's finished with Shellawax cream and some spray lacquer. So big thanks again to James King at King's Fine Woodworking for putting together the plans and getting them out there on the internet. You can purchase them, again, his website and his YouTube channels in the description below. Make sure you check it out. Amazing, amazing maker, gets his family involved. Just love watching his stuff. I'm going to be making another one, obviously, like we talked about. I don't know that I'll do a video about it because we messed up the cuts on the second one. So we'll see what we do about that. And I'm going to be using mine for woodworking. I'm not sure what Bryce is going to use this for, but I got a really good idea. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Have a great day, everybody.